First thing we need to do is measure where the hinges are. After measuring, we mark out where the hinges are, and then we cut out the ends of each hinge. Here you see my brother just marking the edge of each hinge. A lot of people use routers to cut out all the hinges, but my brother's pretty experienced and he uses this. Now for this middle hinge, he actually cuts out a little bit more inside of the lines because we will adjust this later. Again, he uses this non-routed device. And now for the bottom hinge, again we've cut inside the lines just so we can do an adjustment later, just in case if there's a mistake. And again he uses the non-router way of cutting the timber. Now the door was actually a little bit too long in height, so he's now cutting approximately 5mm off the bottom. now we're making an adjustment with the planer to get that last couple of mil or so. Just using the hand planer now just to get rid of the sharp corners. Autofocus isn't quick enough. And now we just mounted the top hinge, and now we're just checking where the actual hinges finish on the middle and bottom hinge, and getting rid of the timber. I'm going to go and hold it there like so. Doing the same again for the middle hinge. And now we are screwing off just by putting one screw in each hinge just to see what's going on. Now we will see if this fits. Oops, we actually have non-square frame, so we will need to adjust this. And by marking out the frame, we will now plane the door. Didn't need any nails. It was a new door. And it had no edge stripping or anything like that. Block board. And mount it again, and perfect.